So hi everyone, welcome to another video of Sunday Ka Funda. This is the series where we introduce to you all the theoretical knowledge that you have to the experimental and the practical knowledge around the world. And also these experiments are relevant to your GATE and engineering service examination syllabus. So what is special about today's video? So आज की वीडियो में we are going to talk about fluid mechanics, one of the most important concept, coefficient of velocity, and what we are going to do is आज इस वीडियो में हम coefficient of velocity का determination करेंगे, उसको हम एक्सपेरिमेंटली निकाल के देखेंगे खुद से कि क्या वैल्यू आती है। तो इस एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए हमें कुछ ज्यादा चीजें नहीं चाहिए, मुझे चाहिए रहेगा एक टैंक। जो टैंक आई डिड नॉट हैव, तो मेरे पास है एक बॉटल और इस बॉटल में मैंने बनाया है एक होल। वो होल जो है, कहाँ गया होल, ये रहा। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है दैट इज, मैंने यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला भी लिखा है, जो एक्सप्रेशन होता है हमारा दैट वी गेट थ्रू द डेरिवेशन। आई होप यू कैन सी दिस, राइट? आई विल शो यू एट द एंड आल्सो। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो बेसिक तीन चीजें हमें चाहिए दैट इज कि जब हम इसके अंदर पानी भरेंगे, सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द हेड अबव द ओरिफिस। ओरिफिस के ऊपर का हेड कितना है? सो दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेजर्ड, इट इज 21 सेंटीमीटर, which can also be called as 0.21 मीटर। उसको आप 0.21 मीटर भी बोल सकते हो। एंड how much is the vertical distance over here? And that vertical distance is exactly 0.13 meter or 13 centimeter. The only thing which is left to determine is that when the water will come in this water bottle, then how far the stream will go. All I have to do is I have to just measure the distance of the stream it has covered in the x direction, and that is going to give us the x value. So we have h value, we have y value, and then we can find out the value of x through here, and that will give us eventually the value of coefficient of velocity. So let's start this experiment and let's determine the value of x first. Alright guys, so now I have filled this water bottle, and now I also have the orifice right here जिसको मैंने अभी टेप किया हुआ है. So let's remove this and let's see how far the stream will go. And yes, the supply should be continuous, but since I'm in a room, I won't be able to do that. What I will do instead, I will measure this value of x as instant as possible. Okay, so I'll just remove this tape from here, which will expose the orifice. Alright guys, but the water is not coming out. Why? So चलो आप कह सकते हो कि अलग से एक चीज समझा देता हूं मैं यहाँ पे. It is, you can say, a bonus concept for you all. See, the water is not coming outside even though there is a orifice, and the reason is very simple guys. So the reason is the water, yes, it wants to come out, but remember what Aristotle has said, nothing is empty in this universe. As soon as the vacuum will create, there will be something which is going to take its place. तो यहाँ पे जैसे ये पानी बाहर आएगा, यहाँ बनेगी खाली जगह और वहां आनी चाहिए हवा, बट क्योंकि कैप लगा हुआ है तो हवा नहीं घुस सकती अंदर, तो ना हवा अंदर घुसेगी ना ये पानी बाहर आएगा. So this is another bonus concept which I wanted to tell you. चलो ठीक है, मैंने यहाँ पे इनिशियल मार्किंग कर दी है, ठीक है, थोड़ा जुगाड़ से किया है सिंस वी आर इंजीनियर. तो ये इनिशियल मार्किंग है. फाइनल मार्किंग के लिए मैं यहाँ पे रख दूंगा इसको. So चलिए, let's open this and I hope position is correct and it should be exactly straight. I want x direction, right? And don't worry, I'm going to clean this up. Don't worry about that as well, right? So okay. So this is how it is coming, and I have measured the distance. This should be the distance. I'll just close this down. Now what I'll do is I will simply measure this x distance, right? Once I'll measure this x distance, this is going to give us the value of coefficient of velocity in my formula, right? So I'll do one thing, I'll measure it first and then I'll show you to the board that how we have done it, how we have found out the value of coefficient of velocity. So guys, after the experiment मैंने measure किया the value of x and I'll show you the whole calculation only here only. ठीक है, आ जाओ फटाफट से. So this was the whole equation that we already know, correct? And the value of h is also clear to us that I have found out, and also the y I have measured. Now the x value came us to as 33 सेंटीमीटर, समवेयर अराउंड, देखो 32.9 समथिंग आया था, तो मैं इसको 33 सेंटीमीटर लेके चल रहा हूँ, विच वुड बी 0.33 मीटर. right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply do the calculation over here. X is 0.21 divided by root 4 times of 0.13. All right, okay, by mistake I kept this 0.21, it should be 0.33 divided by 4 times into 0 point, the value of y is 13 and the value of h is 0.21. So let's see the value of oh my god, it is like almost 0.99. So yeah, I think we have got the answer, which is usually under the limit only. So 0.9986 is what we have got as our experimental value of coefficient of velocity. I hope guys you have learned something new from this particular video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself, take care of your family, and also please share this video with your friends and hit the subscribe button, guys. Thank you.